Welcome to GRE subject test. In this video, we are going to do problem number 1 and 2. So let's start. For the first problem, we actually need to find the arc length from 0 to pi. I think this is a good start since it's not that hard as long as you know the arc length formula. So all we need is the integral from 0 to pi. And since 0 and pi are the limit for t, so we are doing dt here. Then that means whatever under the square root will be with respect to t. So the first one gonna be x prime squared plus y prime squared. That is from 0 to pi. Square root of x prime is derivative of cosine, and the derivative of cosine is negative sign. So if you square it, it's going to be positive anyway, so I'm going to ignore the negative sign. So it's just sine squared t. And similarly, y prime is cosine squared t dt. This gives us an identity, which is 1. So we're doing from 0 to pi 1 dt. And the antiderivative of 1 is just t from 0 to pi, and that's pi. So the first one, the answer gonna be B. The second problem, I'm gonna eliminate some choices without find the derivative. So we know the function and we know the point is x at 0. So y x at 0, the value is 0 plus e to the 0, which is 1. So we know the tangent line must contain the point 0, 1. So then we can eliminate choice 1, C and D. Since we still have two choices, so then we need to find the derivative of y, because that will give us the slope. So y prime is 1 plus e to the x. And add x equals 0, so that's going to be 1 plus e to the 0, which is 2. This is the slope of the tangent line. So this tells us the answer is E.